Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
The one message we want to put out across is that the Trinamool Congress is committed, very strongly committed, to removing the BJP, not just from every state government that they are in, but also in 2024 from India. And keeping that in mind, the fight that we are fighting along with the MGP is absolutely to oust the BJP. There is no other goal that we have in mind. We are the only, I would say, political player here who is absolutely focused on defeating the BJP. We are not interested in any other side deals. We are not interested in anything else. All we want and all Mr. Davlekar and his party want are to get the BJP out of Goa. And this is what is binding us together. We see a lot of people signing pledges and signing affidavits in places of worship. That actually is quite amusing to us, because given the history of Goa and given that the anti-defection law itself allows 2/3 of a party to go across, and then it has been a toothless law so far in India, we think that it is far more important for us to come out and to show people that we are committed than to sign and make hollow promises like signing affidavits, which have no legal standing whatsoever. The big picture in Goa is there is environmental pollution and there is political corruption. These are the two main issues here. It is the environment that is polluted, and it is also the political environment which is polluted, both ways. What we need to get to every Goan household are 3 schemes. One is a direct benefit transfer, a direct cash payment of 60,000 rupees to every female head of household in Goa. The second is a 20 lakh rupee line of credit to every youth between the ages of 18 and 45. And the third is that we are promising land rights, freehold land rights to people who are currently in tenancy. These are the 3 main issues on which we are going to the polls. We would ask every Goan to honestly come out and vote for change this time.